draw a curve, you will get the AR curve like this. MR curve போடுறேன் இப்போ. First one 10. Second 8. 2 க்கு நேர 8. 3 க்கு நேர 6. 4 க்கு நேர 4. இதான் 4. 5 க்கு நேர 2. 6 க்கு நேர 0. 7 க்கு நேர -2 வந்து. So MR curve போட்டேனா you will get the curve like this. Do you understand? AR curve and MR curve starting point இதுதான். The AR curve lies above the MR curve. MR curve lies below the AR curve. So when the price decline, the AR curve and the MR curve falls down, slopes down, but MR falls lower than AR. You understand, girls? AR MR curve declining price la eppadi irukona? AR curve and the MR curve falls down with a falling price. Okay. So MR curve lies below the AR curve with a declining price. Will you be able to understand? I have, based of this only I have drawn the curve. So if you draw the curve based on the data given, you will get the AR curve above and the MR curve below the AR curve. And sometimes it will go decline -2, so it will falls down like this. It cross the x-axis. Do you understand? So AR and MR curve எப்படி வரும்? எப்பவுமே it always falls down. MR lies below AR. Do you understand, girls? And then we are going to see the relationship between total revenue, marginal revenue and average revenue. Okay, how it will be. So when the marginal revenue is positive, total revenue increases, isn't it? When the marginal revenue is negative, 0, total revenue will be maximum. When MR negative, total revenue decreasing. This is the relationship between when the marginal revenue is positive. Just recollect the tabular column. When the marginal revenue is positive, let me write the tabular column or again, then it will be easy, or else I will show you this. See, when marginal revenue is positive, that means 8, 6, 4, 2, these are all positive. When marginal revenue is positive, the total revenue is increasing. See, 18, 24, 28, 30, increasing. When the marginal revenue is 0, the total revenue is maximum. 30 is the maximum point, isn't it? So when the marginal revenue is 0, the total revenue is maximum. When the marginal revenue is negative, -2, -4, -6, total revenue started declining. So this is the relationship between total revenue and the marginal revenue. So when the marginal revenue is positive, the total revenue is increasing. When the marginal revenue is 0, the total revenue is maximum. When the marginal revenue is negative, the total revenue is started declining. So this is the relationship between AR and total revenue and the marginal revenue. And now we are going to see the relationship. Elasticity of demand is equal to elasticity of demand E stated is equal to AR by AR minus MR. That is, AR curve and MR curve depends upon the elasticity of AR curve. AR means price curve. When the price elasticity of demand is greater than 1, MR is positive and TR is increasing. Now we studied, no, MR is positive, total revenue will increase. That is, elasticity demand is greater than 1. When demand is less than 1, MR is negative and DR is decreasing. When the demand is equal to 1, MR is equal to 0 and TR is maximum and constant. That we studied, isn't it? So now let us see the same tabular column with the elasticity. The same tabular column what I have shown you now. Quantity 1, 2, 3 they have given. Price, it is declining price. See, முதல்ல 10 ரூபாய் இருந்தது குறைஞ்சிட்டே வந்து 0 வரைக்கும் போட்டுருக்காங்க. Total revenue multiply பண்ணி போட்டுருக்காங்க. 10 into 1 10, 9 2s are 18, 8 3s are 24 multiply பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. AR அப்படி தான் வரும். நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொன்னேன், ப்ரைஸ் தான் AR. ஆவரேஜ் ரெவன்யூங்கிறது ப்ரைஸ் தான். AR is equal to price. ஸோ எம்ஆர் கால்குலேட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. எப்படி பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? இது அப்படி 10, ரெண்டாவது 18 minus 10, இந்த இருக்கு பாரு, 18 minus 10 8, 24 minus 8 6, 28 minus 4 4, 30 minus 28 2, 30 minus 30 0, 28, இப்படி தான் எம்ஆர் கால்குலேட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ when MR is positive, the total revenue is increasing, that is elasticity of demand is greater than 1. When MR is 0, the total revenue is maximum, so the elasticity demand is equal to 1. When MR is negative, the total revenue is decreasing, that is less than 1. So if you draw the diagram, you will get the diagram like this. So here they have drawn the diagram and show you AR is equal to price curve, அது increasing, MR curve increasing, இது decreasing. Do you understand, girls? So with this we came to the end of this lesson. So in this lesson we learn what is AR, what is TR and what is MR. So read the lesson, try to get the meaning. If you are not able to follow me, and just make a call and get clearance. Thank you, girls.